Bitcoin has just had its toughest test, probably in the last year or so. Now there is a crucial zone that we have tested only twice in the last 2 years that has formed a solid base and foundation and support for a rebound for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is currently testing that exact same level.
Hi, I'm Martin. I'm the founder of Captain Crypto's Compass. I'm a trader and a professor at the Financial Freedom Academy. I am passionate about helping you to achieve financial freedom through the art and the gift of trading. I will be providing you with actionable technical analysis and insights on your favorite cryptocurrency projects to help you make better and more informed decisions. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, you're in the right place.
Now I've gone ahead and opened up the 1 week chart for Bitcoin, and this crucial level that I'm talking about is none other than the 50 simple moving average on the weekly chart. Now to put this in perspective, let's head on over to the chart and I'll show you here what I'm talking about. Now the specific line that I'm mentioning here is this green line. Now that is the 50 simple moving average. If you want to add that onto your chart, you can simply go to indicators and type in simple moving averages, and the one that I'm specifically using is called simple moving averages by Stocks and Box. Now if you open that up, you'll need to just change the look and feel to suit your style, but for me my 21 is yellow, my 50 is green, and my 100 is red. Now if I look at the specific line, we can see that since the start of the bull market in January 2023, we have not had a weekly candle body close below this green line. We can see here that this was our start of the bull run. We had a push higher, rejection, came back down to the green line. Our push here in October all the way to March in 2024, we see this push higher, rejection, right back to this green line, the 50 SMA. You can see we did not have a candle body close below the 50 SMA. Again, with our last push in December 2024, we saw yet another rejection and a pullback towards the 50 SMA, this green line. We can see we did not have a candle body close below this specific level. Now, zooming in where we currently are, we can see here that we have tested the 50 SMA yet again. We can see we had this blast off and it created our double top here in July this year, and also in the end of September, October of this year, we saw this double top pattern, and now we have finally rejected and pulled right back towards the 50 SMA. Now the 50 SMA is currently sitting at roughly about $103,000. We can see that it had a wick below the 50 SMA for a brief period, but the bulls have stepped in.
Hey, I hope you're still enjoying the content. Remember to hit the like button, hit the sub button, and to ring the bell for notifications. Your support means the world to me personally, and I cannot do this without you.
Now what's interesting about this area here, if we take the Fibonacci extensions as well from the previous high to lows to highs, we see that this also highlighted this key Fibonacci golden support zone inside of this area, and we can see that Bitcoin has found support right inside of this key zone on top of the moving average. Now for a continuation to the upside, what we will want to see is Bitcoin holding roughly $103,000. Now I'm not too concerned about wicks below these levels. We can see we've already had a wick all the way back down to the bottom end at roughly about $98,000, but I do not want to see a full candle body close below the 50 SMA. If that happens, there is a risk of a more severe correction in the future. Now looking left to the chart here, we can also see that during our previous bull run, that the 50 SMA also held as strong solid support. We can see we did not have a candle body close below the 50 SMA during our previous bull run from April to 2020 all the way to roughly April 2021. And as soon as we saw our first candle body close below the 50 SMA, that was the start of the bear market. So we can see that the zone here and this critical area we are currently trading in Bitcoin is extremely important for the bull run continuation. Now, a couple of interesting factors. If we do look at our momentum and we look at the stochastics RSI, we can also see that the stochastics RSI has almost flatlined below the 20 level, with the blue line starting to curl up, showing us the momentum is shifting into the bulls' favor. Now this is what we want to see for a continuation here. If we can manage to hold support in this golden pocket area and we see a positive momentum cross with the stochastics RSI, that'll put us in a position to re-challenge our previous resistance zones. So this is a absolute make or break moment for Bitcoin. Can it hold the 50 SMA on the weekly? Can we have this positive momentum come back into Bitcoin and support a new rally? That's to be seen. My personal opinion, I do think that Bitcoin has what it takes to hold support here and create a higher high moving into December. As always, peace and love and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, hit the like button, hit the sub button, and hit the bell notifications. Also, remember to click the link in the description below to join my mailing list, where I'll be sending you free emails and trading videos, and also market report updates weekly to help you stay ahead of the herd. As always, this community would not be the same without you, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Peace and love. See you next time.